In there that has a grill as well as a little dog running space. If you were to get a dog, let them out there. That's the only space on the property that they can be without a leash. Everywhere else they are required to be on a leash.
Are we getting a dog?
I'm your dog.
Well, the kitchen's on this side. Hey guys, welcome to our new place. Also my hat from the last video. We're gonna do an empty apartment tour. Okay, so right now I'm standing in the kitchen. This is what it looks like. It's actually on the opposing side of where our kitchen is in our current apartment. But I love the cabinets. They're really large, have really nice modern finishes. We have the nice stove top, like in our current place. Everything's stainless steel. Only thing I was a little apprehensive about is the fridge. It's nice, but it doesn't have the ice maker and water dispenser, so I was not happy about that. But there is an ice maker down here, so that helps to compensate for not having it. We have to buy water now. Lots of storage. We have the sink here on the island rather than having it over here like we had in our other place. Have the dishwasher. This is the master. We're gonna get them to switch out the lights so they're much brighter because y'all know lighting is important. This is the bathroom. It's the master bath. And I really like that this one has the large brown, I don't know what this would be called, cabinet space. In our current place we have just like a closet type deal, like pantry style storage space, but this one I really like a great deal because I love the brown. Those dark cabinets are awesome, and having them nice and large throughout is great. The flooring in here is very nice as well. It has like a gray tone to them. And they told us that the closet space is actually larger in the master. It's going to be great for Gerard to have his own. I don't even know where the light is. This says closets. I'm gonna take you all to the YouTube film space. Before we head to the other room, which will be my YouTube film space / beauty room, I just want to show you all some other little features. Our apartment does have a full-size washer and dryer. We didn't have that in our previous apartment. And it also has storage at the top, which is pretty cool. There's also a little coat closet near the entrance, which gives us additional storage space, and that's always a good thing. Now we're gonna move on to the room that's gonna be my YouTube film space / beauty room, and it's pretty much the same as the other bedroom. It's just a little smaller, but we're gonna make it work. And I'm really excited to see what I'm gonna be able to do with it. This one also has a bath off of this bedroom. It also has a pretty decent sized closet. I believe this one is comparable to the size of my closet that I currently have in Houston. It's definitely gonna help a great deal that Gerard and I have our own bathrooms, because y'all know, if y'all watched our married first year of marriage video, I shared that has been a struggle for us, y'all. So all this extra storage, that's all mine, and he has his. It's just gonna be great, guys. I'm really happy about that. One thing that I am gonna miss from our old apartment is that it had hardwood floors throughout. This apartment has carpeting in the bedroom. I'm not really a fan of that, but that seemed to be a trend with all the apartments that we viewed in Dallas. All of them had carpet in the bedroom. But we're just gonna make it work. We're happy that we found the place that best suited our needs. And we're just really excited to start our new life here in Dallas.
So then if you've done that, then yes.
Okay. Oh, there's storage out here. That's great.
Yeah, there's a small little storage closet. It's
not
not
the
huge,
size
but
as the one you have.
it's just a little tiny one.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, y'all. So that's pretty much the end of our empty apartment tour. We actually recorded this while we were doing our first viewing of the apartment. So it's kind of short and sweet, but I will give you all another tour once we have all our furniture inside and we've decorated. I'm sure we'll be able to do something great with this space. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you all in our next video. Bye, guys.
I ain't asked for a cameo right now.
You getting a cameo.